y'all, it's your girl Deja Janae Exo, and I'm back with another video. So today, as you can tell by the title, I'll be showing you guys how to revive your closure. So closures are not always and forever. They are going to get bald, they are going to get thin. So in this video, I'm just going to show you guys how to take your balding closure and make it look like this. Because I bet y'all wouldn't even be able to tell that this had like 5 bald spots and it's just going through it. And I'm the type, I like to wear my hair till I can't wear it no more. So I'm going to continue to use this method until I can't do it no more. Okay, so I'm just going to stop talking and we're just going to get straight in the video. I'll see right here, I have like a big bald spot on my lace. Like, that is not cute. So what we're gonna do is just slide the parts over. Should I put it right here? Yeah, we're gonna put it right here. So then I'm just gonna slide this to the middle. And I'm about to hot comb this. See how bald it is? Like, this closure is really going through it. But y'all, I'm gonna hold on to it until I can't hold on to it no more. So look at this. This part is about the size of this comb, about the width of this comb, and that is not acceptable. So y'all, that's how I got this look. I didn't really show you guys how I straighten my hair. I just showed that I started to straighten it, but I feel like everybody knows how to straighten hair, so I feel like there was no need for me to record me straightening my hair. But I mean, if you don't know how to flat iron your hair, then I mean, there's plenty of YouTube videos out there. Maybe I'll record one day. But yeah, and I just tucked the hair behind my ears like so. And I did a little something to my face because I'm supposed to be going to the movies, and I can't go to the movies looking busted. But yeah, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you leave any suggestions down below. I know I always say this and nobody ever does it, so hopefully this time somebody will. Yeah, just leave a comment down below what you want to see, what you don't like to see, anything, interactions, you know. Also, I am currently doing a giveaway on my channel, so if you guys are interested in winning some free hair, make sure you go to that video. I'll link it down in the description below and you can enter. But yeah, I think that's about it. So I'm just gonna see you guys in my next video. So until then, peace. I don't really want no fun. Hey yo, Draco got that kickback. When they kick back, you can't get your shit back. In fact, it's that bitch that I hate small talk. I don't fuck with chit chat. AC just stopped working, so they hit me, told me bring my